cute. This is really Team FabFitFun.
To change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. Like, it's important to live each moment, enjoy each moment, embrace each moment, and also take advantage of some good deals while you're at it. So as you can tell from the title, we have an unboxing, and I'm super, super excited because today's video is sponsored by FabFitFun. So y'all know I'm on this healthier lifestyle journey that I've been on since the beginning of the year. Actually, I'm being more aware of what I put into my body, what I put onto my body, and making sure that I pour back into myself. And this FabFitFun box is the perfect opportunity for me to do that. So yes, I'm officially a FabFitFun partner, y'all. So I cannot wait to unbox their fall 2025 box. Fall is like one of my favorite times of the year because fall kicks off the holiday season. And y'all know I thrive in the holiday season. I'm so excited, y'all. So if you've been looking for a mix of beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and some home goodies all in one, girl, this is it. Like, I gotta contain myself because I'm really overly excited. Okay. So if you're new to FabFitFun, it's basically a seasonal subscription box. And it comes out 4 times a year: spring, summer, fall, winter. And each box is packed with full-size products, y'all, across beauty, wellness, fashion, and lifestyle. Like, I love the little small kits, the little trials, but it's not like having a full-size product, y'all. Coming in a box 4 times a year. It's like Christmas every season. 3 extra Christmases. I love that for us. The best part about it is that you get to customize the box. So you get to customize a lot of the items that come inside of the box. So you're not just getting random things. You're able to kind of curate your own experience. You got options. Y'all got options, and I love options. What I'll do is put a link in the description box so that you can go ahead and sign up and get your subscription box. Okay, so y'all, let's get into it. Let's get into the best part. I already opened the box because I was like so thirsty to see what was in it, but I haven't opened the actual box because I was like, I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna save that for my family to actually look with me. So we're gonna do this together, y'all. This is the box, y'all. FabFitFun Fall 2025. Oh, this is cute. This is really Team FabFitFun. Oh my gosh. First off, they have a HelloFresh 11 free meals plus free caraway plan. Okay, 11 free meals, first box ships free. I'm about to try that. I've been wanting to get into HelloFresh because y'all know I'm always on the go, always busy. I need something that's gonna be convenient for me and my goddaughter. So, well, let's get into it. What else is in the box? Ooh, business and pleasure code. Oh, this is an apron. This is so cute, y'all. Don't let me ever tell me nothing in my apron when I'm in the kitchen cooking. A Volition chocolate macadamia hydrating mask. And y'all know I'm all about skincare. Skin is always gonna be in for me. And I love they put this chocolate hydrating mask in there because on those self-care nights or self-care days when I just wanna, do a little extra pouring into myself. Chocolate macadamia hydrating mask. Soft Pinch Luminous Powder Blush from Rare Beauty. And this is in the color Hope. This, It's really like Christmas in the box. All these little seasonal things. Perfect for the fall. Ooh, this is so pretty, y'all. Now that's the perfect color for the fall. Especially if you're like me. Like I like my rosy cheek look, but then I've been wanting something not so pink, but also kind of glowy. And this comes in perfect, y'all. This is so pretty. I'll show y'all again. Iconic London Prep Set and Glow. Oh, it's a glow spray. Because y'all know we about to get into our fall bag where we're doing like all kinds of fall seasonal things. Like fall festivals and pumpkin patches and having a little, ooh, having a little glow to go with you, honey. Like y'all already know I'm glowing. Forever gonna have a glow, but this is so pretty. Prep Set and Glow. This is from Iconic London. That's so pretty. Let me see what it looks like under the light. Let's see. Thrive Cosmetics. Not cause, but cause. C-A-U-S-E. Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. It's a full-size product for me. Ooh. Ring light technology included. And this is in the color Stella for Champagne Shimmer. And this is actually you put on the waterline. And it's to awaken and open up the eyes. So tight line the upper and lower waterline. And I've been wanting an eyeliner for my waterline. Because I've been wanting my waterline to pop. And this is going to come in handy. This is something I probably use on the daily. I am just so hyped, y'all. And I don't know what to do with myself. It's, ooh, a lippy. Okay, and this is from Mare. Ooh. Packaging is tea. Ooh, this color is Maison. This gives luxury. But of course, you know, on a budget, you know, I love that bougie on a budget lifestyle. That's a really pretty color. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, it's creamy. I love that. With a balm liner. This is the last thing in the bomb. Oh my goodness. It's a gem tote. From Splits 59. Now this is a gem tote, y'all. But y'all gonna see this. I love this. This is so cute. And it's soft. It's very spacious. For all my little gem things. It's got the pocket on the side. Zipper. FabFitFun. You about to done yourself. So one of my favorite things about FabFitFun as, you know, a plus size girly girl who loves lifestyle and beauty. I got skincare accessories. I got lipstick. I got a highlighting stick, a hydrating mask, blush, glow spray, and a gem tote. And an apron. It's like a seasonal glow up delivered to your doorstep. I can only imagine what it's going to be for the winter. And y'all know I'm all about pouring into yourselves and treating yourself. So if you're ready to treat yourself and try out the FabFitFun fall box, the link is right in my description box.
So there's two ways that you can actually sign up for FabFitFun. First, click the link in my description box. You can either do seasonal or annual. Seasonal is billed every 3 months, and you can save 20% off of your first box with the code Candace. Now, if you want to do it annually, go ahead and get it taken care of. What you can't get is a $200 plus surprise gift when you sign up as an annual member using the code CandaceGift.
So I want to thank you again to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. This box. Yeah. Full size product, y'all. I'm just in love. Like, I want to go playing makeup, do a mask, play in the kitchen. So of course, make sure that y'all like this video. Make sure you comment down below. Does anybody already have their subscription to FabFitFun? Let me know down in the comments, y'all. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure, most importantly, that you have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. So I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. Bottom of my apron, bottom of my full-size products. And my little gems out. I love y'all. And I will see y'all in the next video. Until next time, y'all. Stay sweet, stay girly, and get in your FabFitFun bag, y'all. Love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Bye!
To change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it sure ain't love, love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we